Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to create Dropdown and Google Sheet to filter data. Alright, I have added the data here and I'm just going to add the Dropdown the right here and how to just click on sale and go to sorry, you are just going to right click and you can see for Dropdown, just click it and you can apply to range. So select the range you want to um sorry all right, select range you like to add the drop down and just click OK and you can select the drop down criteria. So select the criteria you like here. I'm just going to add select the drop down and you can add the option 1 for the list, for example, and you can add another item of the list. Just click add another item, and you can also make the color for the list like so, and just click down, and you can select the filter. So okay, 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 like so. Yeah, it's so simple. If you want to remove the drop down, you can see remove all option here. Just click on it. You want to add another rule, so just click add rule here. Alright, that's how you can create drop down in Google Sheet to filter data. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.